Armies around the world are developing weapons hidden from the public eye. Today, I'll talk about weapon technologies that most people don't know about, but governments are secretly developing. Military technology is often kept in the shadows for years. Why? Because the longer it stays secret, the bigger the surprise for the enemy. History proves it. In World War II, radar was a hidden game changer. The Enigma machine and the secret code breakers? They turned the tide. And stealth aircraft, kept secret until the world suddenly realized planes could become invisible to radar. Today's secret weapon might be just as revolutionary. Imagine shooting down a drone with just a beam of light. Laser weapons are silent, fast, and can fire as long as you have power. No bullets, no explosions, just pure energy. Forget gunpowder. Railguns use magnetic force to fire projectiles at hypersonic speed. The result? Unstoppable power that can hit targets hundreds of kilometers away. Not one, not 10, but hundreds of drones moving like a single mind. These AI-powered swarms can overwhelm defenses, spy, and even strike, all without human control. Five times faster than the speed of sound? That means almost impossible to stop. The US, Russia, and China are in a race to dominate the skies with hypersonic missiles. Think of a weapon that doesn't explode but fries electronics instead. High-powered microwaves can disable tanks, drones, even missiles, without firing a single shot. These weapons sound like science fiction, but are they here to protect us or to create new dangers? Laser defenses could save cities from missile attacks. But autonomous swarms? They could just as easily be turned against us. The line between protection and destruction has never been thinner. So what do you think? Are secret weapons the key to a safer future, or the start of something far more dangerous? Drop your thoughts in the comments, and if you enjoyed this breakdown, don't forget to like and subscribe for more military tech secrets. See you in the next video.